something. So I'm in pickup line. So we're gonna start today's vlog in pickup line, okay? Got back from Vegas 2 days ago, and when I say the jet lag is real, I mean it's real. I've been sleeping all day. Can't get up, can't do nothing, just tired. Just yesterday it wasn't so bad. Today it just hit me out of nowhere that I'm exhausted. One of those nights that I was there in Vegas, I stayed up for 28 hours straight, so I'm pretty sure my body is like, you're over here acting like you some spring chicken. I'm gonna show you. So anyways, I'm about to go pick up Mad. Mad is in preschool 2 days out of the week. That's the amount that I paid for. I'm just not doing the whole, because it's not mandatory for her to be in school, so I'm just being enough. But anyways, I'm about to go pick her up. It's 2:55. She get out at 3. I'm already parked around the front because the older kids get out. Yeah, there's this thing on my face. Don't worry about it. I'm worried about it, but you don't worry about it. I can't find my makeup. I unpacked the luggage and I put it somewhere and I can't find it. So just gonna have to deal with this face. There's crap on my face. Anyways, what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, so the older kids come out right here. I have to go grab Maddie. She get out at 3. The older kids get out at 3:15. Then after that, I gotta go grab some potatoes because we're having steak and potato for dinner, with cabbage on the side. And then I have to put a load that I put in the washer in the dryer, and that should complete my evening. And then I'm probably gonna go back to sleep because I don't know why I'm so tired. Someone please explain to me why I'm so exhausted. That's because I partied like I was 19 and I'm 20. No, I'm not 20 years over that. Am I? 20, 19, 20. I am. Jesus. But I'm not that far. I'm 38. Anyways. But like I said, I just wanted to give you guys something, slide my way back into YouTube. You know, it's not been my thing lately. I can't get with it. So yeah, I'll go walk and pick up my baby. And I'll see y'all when I pick her up, okay? I'm walking to go get Mad. Hopefully they haven't gone into, oh, they're here. Hold on, I'm gonna put my mask on. Hi. Hi. Maddie. Oh, Madison. Here you go.
Did you get in the other line?
Yes. It's easier that way.
Okay.
Wait for your orange, please. Thank you. Hang on, girls. I'll be right there. 3, 5.
Good enough. All right.
Thank you. Did you have fun? Not much. Oh. What happened today? What happened? Huh? What happened? One person tell on you? Yeah. What did you do? Nothing? Okay. Walk up. We'll talk about it in the car, okay? All right. If they do something that's not nice, you say, no, that's not very nice. And you walk away, okay? All right? And then you move on with your day. Don't sulk about it. Don't be sad. Okay? Enjoy your day, all right? Let nobody steal your joy. Okay? I love you. Okay. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Anyways, I am home. They're ready to get started on dinner. We're having potatoes. So I have all the potatoes here. Rob wants them on the stove top, and then cook them on the stove top, and then stick them in the oven. He's working on my steak outside, so he has the propane going, because he's a charcoal kind of guy. And then Jack went outside to play. I told him no skateboard because he fell off his longboard last night and fractured his pinky finger. So I had to rush him to the ER yesterday. So he has I'm over here talking to myself thinking I'm recording, and it wasn't recording. So I don't even know what I was saying to you guys. I have potato out because we're having potato with steak tonight, and there's a side. I don't know if I should make a salad or cabbage, because I really love cabbage. I don't eat carbs, so that's not really for me. And then the girls are on the trampoline. Jackson fell off his longboard yesterday and fractured his pinky finger, so he's out front playing, but I told him specifically no ride on anything because I don't want him to re-injure that finger. Rob is on the grill with my steak and some other stuff. And then what else do I have to do for the evening? Get started on homeworks and stuff, but I have him playing outside in the front, so that way when it's close to dinner I can pull him in, have him do that, go get eat dinner, take a shower, because today is shower day around here. And so far so good. I feel a little overwhelmed, just a tad bit overwhelmed, but Rob is helping me out, so that helps take a little bit of the stress that I feel right now. But I just need to calm down. I just need to sit down. I just need to drink some water and just calm down. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to get done by 6 o'clock. It's 4:15 right now, so everything will be done. All the kids will be showered, fed, homework, and all of that done. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along and try to get back into the. Bless you. See how tall the boys are getting? He's wearing my Crocs because he destroyed his Crocs. But they're getting so tall. They're like, look at them, towering over top of me. But I love it though. I have all these men that's gonna take care of me. I was getting ready to tell y'all something, but anyways, let's get started on these potatoes. So I'm gonna cook them on the stovetop, and then after that, put them on the pan, and then put them in the oven. It's faster that way. That way they get crisp up in the oven and don't take forever to cook. So because I don't have that much time, so let's go. All right, dinner's ready. Destiny made brownie for us.
You still talking?
Potatoes and cabbage. It looks so hot, man. But I promise you.
So he's talking to you. Yeah.
Everybody's fed. We're sitting down as a family today, except for my plate. I gotta go make my plate. Rob's cutting up some bread. Do I pass it out now, honey? Okay.
I don't want bread.
No bread for you?
No.
Bread?
I don't like bread.
You don't like bread?
No.
Bread?
Yes, please.
Bread?
Thank you.
Bread? You're welcome. Papa, you want bread?
Yeah.
Yeah? One or two?
One.
Okay. Oh my gosh, stop it! Jesus,
Why you keep running
can
from
you
me?
just please let me live
Why
my life?
do you keep running from
I'm
me?
coming. Let me close out this mini vlog. Because we're having dessert. It's 7 o'clock, so we're little. Sorry. Anyways, this was amazing.
What is it?
Hopefully.
Show your mother.
Hopefully.
Show your mother.
What's up,
Do
puppy?
it.
Yeah, it's a finger. What's wrong, puppy?
Do the finger.
Huh?
Magnum.
What?
Dessert.
Dessert? No, I gave you more than enough. It's 7 o'clock. It's too much sugar.
I thought there was going to be 2. Look.
You can have more tomorrow. There's always another day, okay, puppy?
Oh, man.
You had dinner, you had chocolate, you had brownie, and then you had ice cream. That's a lot of sugar. Okay? You can take for school tomorrow. You can put it in a little baggie. Hello, I'm speaking and you're walking away from me.
She's talking to you, man. Go the fuck over there.
You're walking away from me. That's not
thought you were
cool. Huh?
I thought you were talking to
No, I was talking to everyone that's interested in having seconds. It's 7 o'clock at night. It's a lot of sugar in this brownie. I gave you a portion size or a portion amount, and then I gave you ice cream on top of that. Okay? That's just overkill. Then you wanted seconds. You can have seconds tomorrow. Either when you come home or you can take it in a Ziploc bag to go. Alright? But I prefer for you to eat it here because there's COVID. You know what I mean? So, alright? Are we all clear? Rob, you may not get any more. Look at that belly. No more for Daddy Rob. Okay? Is that supposed to make it? Oh, God. Please stop hitting yourself.
That would end.
That's not normal. Look at him.
I'm gonna take some.
Daddy is an adult. He can do whatever he wants. I'm in charge of you all until you're 18. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys.
Not me.
Where y'all? Oh, y'all remember when Destiny used to be on top of me when I was videoing? Now she running. Say good night. Good night. We're gonna go get cleaned up and go to bed. Daddy Rob is excited. Oh, stop hitting yourself. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, my picture.
Ah.
See y'all later.
Bye.